I am the monster from the game, The Monster Sleeps. Today you will learn how to create a cute little monster.
So this is the monster from today's board game. Shh, the monster sleeps. And you're not supposed to wake it. If you do, you receive a penalty. For the body of the monster, I have 2 pompoms. For the hands, I have pipe cleaners. And I drew 2 eyes and a mouth in paper and pasted them onto the pompoms. Initially, the monster I made did not have the horns. So when I showed it to my son and I said that how does the monster look from Shh, the monster sleeps. My son had a look at it and he said, Mama, you forgot the horns. He asked me to give it some pointy horns and I figured toothpick parts would be best for it. That's how the monster got the pointy sharp horns. Please stay tuned. Like, subscribe and share my video. This is your piedcrafter signing off. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.